Wake up, my boy. Oh my god. This is freaking bright. Why can't I see visible light? Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Visible light is the most amazing electromagnetic waves for humans, and we need it to see things and live. Why is visible light visible? And how do humans receive visible light? First, we need to talk about light. Light is a type of electromagnetic radiation. There are different frequencies of electromagnetic waves, such as X-rays, gamma rays, radio waves, etc. If the wavelengths are long, the frequency will be low. In contrast, when the wavelengths are short, the frequency will be high. The amount of light and the frequency of the waves tell us how we can see things. Different frequencies of light enter into our eyes and hit the retina, and the retina is only sensitive to visible light. The rod cells are the cells that are sensitive to the light, and the cone cells are the part that distinguish colors. There are three types of cone cells, which respectively sense red, blue, and green, and the absorption wavelengths are 580, 540, 440 nanometers. Visible light wavelengths range from 380 to 500 nanometers. Let's take Discord icon as an example. This is what elephants see. This is what we see. The lower frequency towards the red and the higher frequency towards the purple. The brain will combine data brought by different cells and finally generate many colors that you see. I mean, this is not something you want to get. Therefore, if we have more cone cells, we can extend the visible spectrum to the ultraviolet and the infrared regions. Newton invented the prism and proved that the white light of the sun was merged with colorful light. I had the experiment about visible light. Sun shot into the mirror at a special angle that is in the basin with the water. It would decompose from the white light into colors because the angle of sunlight entering the basin is different, causing light that is entered first to decelerate first. Hey, I know you're bored right now, so there are few reasons why the retina is not sensitive to other frequencies of waves. First, the waves that are higher than purple scatter too fast to enter our eyes, and the waves lower than red has too low energy to activate the retina. Second, visible light has the most prominent radiation intensity among the electromagnetic waves emitted by the sun. The atmosphere is another reason that we can only see visible light. The atmosphere absorbs most of the electromagnetic radiation, except for visible light and a few other waves, such as radio communication waves. The final reason is all about natural selection. The reason why I like nature so much is that there are many studies in biology that end with natural selection. Animals without eyes or animals that can see have become extinct, leaving only animals with eyes. We can't see X-rays and gamma rays because they are too penetrating, and none of the animals can survive from these two rays. Also, you need big brain to understand color. If you're like a mantis shrimp, You have many cone cells, like even you can see more colors than humans, but they cannot understand it, and their brain is not big enough to see colors. Most animals that can detect ultraviolet and infrared rays will hunt at night. I also had an imitation experiment. Here's the audio. The human's ear can hear from 2 Hz to 20,000 Hz. You can't hear any lower or higher than that because it is the natural selection. Today, you learn about why visible light is visible due to environmental changes and restrictions such as the sun and the atmosphere, etc. We can only see visible light. Also, a fun fact is that if we can see UV and IR waves, we will also call that visible light too. This video is written by me, video editing is by me, and the script is also by me.